AR fam, today we're talking about the importance of family in a family-owned business. When you're just starting out in the cleaning industry, it can be a very lonely place. Trust me, I know this. The first 2 years was incredibly lonely. Even though we had two teams that consisted of my cousin Tony, my aunt Tilly, my dad, my mom, and my then girlfriend Marley, together we serviced over 30 accounts that were almost 2 hours away from our homes, working almost 20-hour days, 7 days a week. We were practically working 24/7. The teams were Marley and I, then Tony, Tilly, and my dad, with my mom and brother helping out here and there. We were stretched out so thin trying to cover all of our locations that we never really see each other. Constantly struggling and working nonstop to make sure everything came out perfect ended up putting a toll on me. I would doubt myself, question myself, why I chose to do this. Did I really invest all my life savings into this business and this company? For the first 2 years, I convinced myself that this was just a part-time job. No joke, I was still searching for another job and another career in that period. There was a saying by Allen Iverson, one of my favorite basketball players, that would constantly loop in my head.
What are we talking about? Practice? We're talking about practice, man.
Except in this case, I replaced practice with cleaning. I would tell myself while I was sweeping, mopping, cleaning toilets, scrubbing urinals, we're talking about cleaning. Really? Cleaning. This is my life now? As time went on, I realized that my family was actually helping me on their off time. This is their free time, which made me start to think about like how my father's getting older now, how this would probably be his last hurrah. So I put my foot down and I said, screw it. This is what I am now. This is what I'm doing. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a cleaner on a mission. Having this epiphany of how much my family sacrificed just to help me made me want to pay them back tenfold. The rest is history. As time progressed, I paid them back like I said I would, and now we're still going. Perseverance, grit, and passion is what my family taught me. They showed me to this day what our core values are. Without family, Rosalato, Route, Rosa Contractors would not have existed if it wasn't for my family. They were my support, my backbone, my shoulder to lean on. Because of them, I am now probably one of the most positive people you will ever meet. They played a major role in my life as an entrepreneur. Not many people have seen our struggles, the low points of Rosalato, the periods where our backs were up against the wall. Our growth became our Achilles heel. But when so many things were going wrong, who was there to support me and push me forward and through the brick wall of doubt and fear was my family, my team. We're not done yet, and we're on a road to building a legacy here. We can overcome anything together as a family. Some people are born with natural talent. Others have to work extra hard to achieve those same results. But I would rather take someone who is willing to work hard over someone with talent. I was lucky enough that my family and friends had that mentality. I can go on, but as you can see, family businesses is just something that I truly believe in and that I'm passionate about. I love the motto, and I would implore all of you out there to ask a parent, a relative, a close friend to go into business with you. Now, I'm not gonna sit here though and say, this is all, it's all sunshines and rainbows. There are many horror stories out there when you're working with a family or a friend, but why focus on that? Again, let's focus on the positive stories. So enough about me, right? I wanna hear your story. So if you're currently in a family business, drop a comment below with your name, your company's name, how many family members are involved, and any social media links so I can make sure I follow and share the love. Lastly, I wasn't joking about how much family I have working with me. Let's name them off right now. This is gonna be funny. We got Marley, Alex, my mom, Tony, my dad, Tilly, Donna, Joe, Phil, David, Mark, Jerry, Dominic, Mackie, Tina, Jay, Michelle, Mike, Vianney, Freddie, Julie, Big Dom, Ralphie. I could keep going. There's more, so don't get mad at me. I think we're at like 20 plus already. A lot of them, that was my cousin and direct family, but some of them were friends, very close friends that are family. So again, family is our motto. So that's all for now. Don't forget to leave those comments, and we'll see you guys in the next video.